Welcome back, ladies and gents. We are back with another vlog, another video, and today we're going to be discussing, well, I'm going to be vlogging obviously, but I'm also going to be talking about the benefits of being a HGV driver. Oh, just trying to... Getting out of a depot is not one of them. Oh God, and we're out. But no, look, there is a lot of good benefits of being a HGV driver, and I feel like it doesn't really get talked about enough. A lot of people do vlogs, or a lot of social media stuff is all about like the negative side. So if you are an aspiring HGV driver, then hopefully this is a good video for you. And even if you're not and you're already a driver, then you'll be able to relate with some of the stuff that I talk about in this video. And on the comments below, let me know what you find good about being a HGV driver, or some of the better things, shall I say. Now, my sat nav is telling me to go straight, but I'm pretty sure they don't want us going that way. That's why, to get on the A34, it says to turn this way around, so that's the way we're going. Yeah, sometimes these sat navs, great bit of kit and stuff like that, but it's always going to try and take you the fastest, most direct route, which might not necessarily be the most HGV friendly. So as per usual, we're doing a last minute agency job on £17.50 an hour, so not the greatest, but it is during the week and it is days. So yeah, not too bad. Guaranteed 10-hour shift. It should only take about 8, but it depends on traffic. We are starting a little bit later, around 4 PM, so yeah, there might be a bit of traffic. Right, I know there's a bridge here, and it always messes me up because it looks like it won't fit, but I've been through here before, and I mean, even this road here does not look HGV friendly. Like, the depot's located in a bit of a mental place. Ooh. Oh God, nice and easy. Yeah, I know I can fit. I know I can. I've been through it before. Oh, yeah, we're good, we're good. That's the thing when you're driving places like this. Look at this, look. You can't be silly and just kind of go for it. You gotta, no worries, you gotta wait and let people come through, or you've got to go through if people let you. It's one or the other. We both won't fit through that. Those puddles won't affect me whatsoever, but I'm just more cautious about someone else driving and then getting splashed. Yeah, you got enough room? Jeez. Oh, no, he's good, he's good. Yeah, speaking of the pros of being a HGV driver, this is not a great start. I'm dodging traffic, I'm dodging a tsunami by the looks of it. I mean, Jesus Christ, it's meant to be summer. What's going on? Yeah, plow through, plow through. It's so annoying because, like, you know, if you were driving a car, you'd be doing like 5 miles an hour. And you'd be, you know, kind of bricking it a little bit, making sure there's nothing underneath. But in one of these absolute beasts, you just kind of don't care. You just kind of go through it a little bit, because you know it's nothing. It's absolutely nothing for one of these machines to just kind of go through. But yeah, back to what I was saying. Refrigerator work, last minute job. We're constantly dodging traffic out here in the middle of nowhere in Andover. We're going to be going all the way through to Dartford, which is about a 2-hour drive. And then we've got another place to go to before picking up some more stuff and bringing it back here. It's all going to be temperature controlled, and that's the sign I'm looking for right there. A34 with a lorry on it. And I know, look at it, it doesn't look great and it's questionable, and my sat nav's having a hissy fit telling me to not go down this way, as you can probably see. Jesus Christ, come on. Hopefully he tucks himself onto the right there, onto that drive. No, he's just gonna smash through. Can he fit through that? Yeah. All right, fair enough. Hey, I'm all up for smooth, quick, decisive decisions, as long as they're the right ones. But yeah, it's funny that I started this video on a positive, and the last 2-3 minutes has just been constantly dodging people and going into really tight spaces. We got another car up there. Yes, well done, mate. Look at him, he's smart enough. He knows there's no way I'm reversing, so you better tuck yourself in. But even on the negative, right? After driving for hours and hours, doing this bit here, these like constant concentration and dodging of BMWs coming around corners. Yep, come. Even this bit's so much fun. Like, mixing that bit of driving is definitely a good point. All right, so negative, yes, these bits can become annoying, but the positive, all right, it gives you a different type of driving. All right, so you're not always just eating up those motorway miles, like, you know, cruise control, 3-4 hours, like, you know, shattered. You're going from and to, which I really like, and that's definitely one of the pros. So pro one, as a HGV driver, you will have very dynamic days of work. You may be doing, you know, a lot of motorway driving one day, or you might be doing close inside town villages, farm areas. It really varies. Like, no day's the same, loads of different sites. Yeah, I really enjoy the diverse roads, or diverse, what's the word I'm looking for? Diverseness? I don't know, you get what I'm trying to say. End of the day, I really enjoy that aspect of the job, all right, and being a HGV driver. Before we get on to point two, I need to concentrate a little bit and actually find out where the hell the A34 is taking me that way. Cheers, madam. I should bang a left here. See, my sat nav wants me to go straight up there. No chance. Caution, vehicle turning. Caution. Actually, I might turn that off. That's very annoying. All right, cool. 2 miles and then we're on the A34. We can relax a little bit, all right? And again, taking the highs, taking the lows with the highs, all right? Once you're out of those situations and dodging little cars and places you think you're not gonna fit, you can just enjoy the road. So, brings me on to point number 2. When you do get your HGV license, right, whether it's class 1, 2, whatever it is that you're after, all right, once you get your licenses and you've got some experience behind you, and you're confident enough to sign up to maybe 5 different local agencies within your area, right, that have regular work available within your area. Once you get to that stage, there are some real benefits when it comes to being a HGV driver. For instance, today, all right, or over the course of the last 10 years, I can guarantee you this happens at least twice a month. So at least twice a month, when I'm not really doing anything or dossing around on the weekend, I'll get calls during the week, during the weekend, and if I'm not doing anything or I've got a day off, there'll be at least 2 scenarios a month where I can go and pick up work really easy, and it's a good 5-6 hour job, and they usually pay you for 8 or 10 hours, all right? So pro number 2 is being able to pick up regular work and being able to make the odd 180 quid at a moment's notice. Do you know what I mean? And that starts adding up. You're getting an extra 320, 350 pounds every month just from the odd job in the afternoon, saying, hey, look, we've got a no-show, we've got a driver no-show, are you able to fill in? And you're putting yourself in a position where you go, nah, I can't be bothered. Or actually, yes, I need the money. But it's being able to put yourself in that position that's definitely one of the things I really enjoy. I really enjoy getting loads of phone calls and basically people saying to me, do you want to make money? Yeah, I feel like making money, or no, I don't, all right? So I love the flexibility of having a license, having the experience, and being able to make either more money if I require it that month, or just chill out a bit and just take the 4 on, 4 off, or whatever kind of rota I'm on, okay? So yeah, that's one of my really, really positive things that I enjoy about being a HGV driver. It's just having that kind of structure where I can make my own hours, I can earn what I want to earn, and if I need to earn more, I'll just take more jobs. Okay, moving over, like it. So we're on the A34 now, we got 96 miles. We're going to be looking at joining the M25, going all the way down the bottom towards Dartford, getting to Sainsbury's and delivering, which, oh, I've not told you, I am delivering an absolute shit ton of lettuce and frozen produce in that respect, all right? So we are probably carrying enough vegetable produce to feed the whole of the southeast, honestly. I looked in the back, it's phenomenal. Right, anyway, now that we are on a decent bit of road, okay, we are gonna stick the cruise control on. We have automatic lane assist on. We've got blind spot warning systems on. I mean, at this point, I'm just getting paid to sit inside a vehicle and listen to some songs, like, which brings you on to my third point. For what it's worth, when you really compare what your responsibilities and how hard the job is versus the money you're getting and how much you're getting hourly or annually or whatever you want to call it, it's a good trade, relatively speaking. You're not outside grafting like in construction or whatever it is, like putting in hard labor days. You can quite easily do this for years, whether you've got a bad leg or a bad arm or whatever. You can quite easily put minimal effort, it won't affect you. So yeah, it's a great job to kind of maintain. Like, it's not arduous and it can be really fun at times. And that's it now. We are absolutely chilling for the next 2 hours until we get to Dartford, so I'll see you there.